Hello. Hello, my dear English family. Welcome back to Chatify English. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to talk about buses, cars, or travel in English, but your mind suddenly goes blank? You want to say something simple, but the words don't come. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today's big promise: by the end of this lesson, you will confidently talk about transportation in English, slowly, naturally, and without fear. Stay with us, because today, English will feel easy. Quick reminder, if you want to speak English every day, subscribe to Chatify English and join our family.
Hello, everyone. I'm Arthur. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hi, my friends. I'm Arabilla. Relax, smile, and learn English with us.
We're not teachers today.
We're your English friends.
Arabilla, quick question.
Go ahead.
How did you come here today?
Oh, today? I came by bus.
By bus? Wow, brave choice.
Hey, why brave?
Because buses are slow and sometimes very full.
That's true, but it's cheap, and I like watching people.
Haha, I came by car.
Luxury life.
Not really. Traffic was crazy.
Oh no, traffic again. I came by bus.
What about you? How did you come today? By bus? By car? On foot?
See? You are already speaking English.
Yes. Small sentences, big confidence. When we talk about transportation in English, we often use by.
By bus, by car, by train.
Simple, clean, easy.
Arthur, what about by bicycle?
Yes, by bicycle.
And by airplane?
Of course, by airplane, if you're rich.
Haha, or if you find cheap tickets. Don't worry about being perfect. We speak slowly here.
We learn together.
You are safe with us.
Arabilla, can I tell you something?
Of course, Arthur. What's on your mind?
This morning, I almost missed my bus.
Oh no, what happened?
I woke up late. Very late.
Uh-oh, that's dangerous.
I looked at the clock, and my heart went boom, boom, boom. I ran out of the house. No breakfast, no coffee.
No coffee? That's a real emergency. When we talk about transportation in English, we often talk about time.
Yes, we say, I'm late, I'm early, I'm on time. I'm late for the bus. So, I ran to the bus stop.
Were there many people?
Yes, too many people.
Ah, rush hour.
Exactly. Rush hour is when everyone travels at the same time.
Let me guess. The bus was late?
Of course the bus was late.
That happens to everyone.
In English, we often say, the bus is late. The train is late. My ride is late.
Very simple. Very useful.
When the bus finally arrived, it was very full.
No seats?
No seats. 0 seats.
Oh, standing trip.
Yes, I had to stand.
Standing on a bus is an English lesson and a workout.
Quick question for you. Do you prefer to sit or stand on public transport?
Let's pause here. When we talk about public transportation in English, we say, take the bus, take the train, take the subway.
For example, I take the bus to work. I take the train every morning. So I stood on the bus, holding the handle.
Trying not to fall?
Exactly. The bus stopped suddenly.
Oh no.
Everyone moved forward, like dominoes.
Classic bus moment. Humor plus relatability. Public transport teaches us many things.
Yes.
Patience.
Balance.
And kindness.
Sometimes survival.
But you know what I like about buses?
What?
You don't need to drive.
True.
No traffic stress, No parking problems.
That's a big advantage. In English, we say, traffic is heavy, or there is a lot of traffic.
For example, there is a lot of traffic today.
After the bus, I walked for 5 minutes.
So you didn't go door to door.
Number.
Good phrase. Door to door means from your house to your destination directly. Some people prefer cars for that reason. Yes, cars are comfortable. Gas is expensive. Parking is expensive.
Everything is expensive.
Let's compare. In English, we say public transportation, private transportation.
Bus and train are public. Car and taxi are private. What do you use more, public transportation or private transportation?
Arthur, what about taxis?
Ah, yes, taxis.
Good for short trips.
Or when you are late.
Or when it's raining.
In English, we say, I take a taxi, or I call a taxi.
Simple and natural.
When I arrived, I was tired.
But proud.
Yes, I survived my morning transportation journey.
And you learned English from it.
Today, we're learning how to talk about transportation in English.
Yes, daily English conversation practice.
Transportation in English is everywhere.
Bus, car, train, taxi. You use these words every day.
You don't need big words,
You need clear words
slow words.
and confidence.